So that pushed the market, so that is the reason we expected the market to maintain its buying momentum, having this 5300 and 5320. We were targeting this zone of 5300 and 5320. So after the price opening, you can see that the price came down and tested the average. The average was providing some support, and the channel which we were following, this is called a downtrend channel, and we have explained about what are the parameters and why we are using this channel. So this is also showing that it is finding some support at 5320. So you can see after taking a support on the Monday the market broke this level and entered into the key zone of 5300 5400, which was acting as a very great resistance for last few weeks, and the price closed around 5390. The next day the price opened more or less just above the price closing, previous day's price closing, and you can see after a bit of drop, the market entered into the zone of 5400 and 5420. So this is a crucial resistance zone, and you can see the market couldn't sustain this, and there was a drop, and the price came down exactly to this 5300 and 320 zone and closed within this zone. So we were expecting the market to provide some support within this zone, since we know that the market was taking a lot of support in this zone. So what is happening in crude was that crude is trading in a sideway between 5400 and 5300. So you can see the price went up and tested this 5340s, and it was resisted by the average, and it came down again. There was a pullback and closed above that, above the key zone of 5320. The next day you can see that since the price closed above 5320, we still expected the market to gain some buying momentum, and the next day we had a spiked up opening, which means that after the price opening you would have seen the LTP might be around 5360 or more than that. So after the price opening, you can see the market went up, and again it tried to test 5400, and there was a failure that pushed the market down till 5360. You can see whenever I mean that since 5360 we were targeting as an intermediate support or resistance. So every day, if you see the past 2 weeks, most of the days you would have seen 5360. So it took support with average, and there was a very good bounce back, and the price cleared this 5420 and above, went above that. So on Thursday, this happened on Thursday, we had crude inventory report. We didn't had that on Wednesday just because of Labor Day holiday in the US. So the report was a bit negative. We don't go in depth with what is the report is saying, how many barrels increased, decreased. We don't go that. On seeing the price action, you can see that the market came down and closed a bit lower, but still it was above the zone. The next day was a drastic spike down opening. The opening was itself was lower than 5300 and 5320. So you can see that after that also the price entered into the key zone. It was trying a lot to sustain within the zone, and unable to sustain and stay above 5320. You can see there was a lot of failures. The market really, after the price opening, you can see that the price was trying really hard to put something above 5320, but at last there was a great failure, and that pushed the market, you can see, down to 5220, then one of the another major support. So the market entered into 5220, but after that you can see there was a huge bounce back, huge recovery from 5300, and the price closed, you can see the price closed just above 5320. So there is always this is providing crude. Last week, if you see the price action for last 2 weeks, so the price was consolidating within a same zone about 5300 or 320. It is providing a very good volatility. Every day it's moving 100 points. It is providing a great volatility, so the range is good for trading. But you can see after the price closing above this zone, we can say on Saturday the price closed entirely within the same zone. Today we are expecting the price to open more or less in and around the same zone. Today for crude oil we can expect the price to open more or less near the same zone, but we don't want to shift in our strategy. We can hold on to the same strategy which we had followed earlier. So till 5320 we can expect the market. This is going to be again a very crucial zone for this week. So what we can expect is that if the price couldn't sustain or move, or if we need a closing above this 5320 in order for the market to maintain its buying momentum. So it is going to be a 50-50 chance for both the buyers and sellers, since the price is going to again open in a very key zone. But if the price opening is more or less below 5300, then we can expect the market to go down. So kindly follow all the technicals input whatever you have. So this zone is going to be a very crucial zone for crude traders. So stick on to this zone, and if you can surely, if you find a closing above 5320 or above this, or if you find a price action clearly breaking this 5320, you can again expect the market to move higher. But if you find a strong resistance, since the channel is indicating just above that, since the average is above that, if we get a strong resistance in these average zones, and if the price close below 5300 for today, then again it is going to be a downtrend in crude oil. So for this week, please stay on within this zone. It may look this week the trading with this zone might be, it may look as a bit tougher, but this is a very profitable area whenever the price, because since the crude has consolidated, you would have seen in copper. So after the consolidation, you can see how fast the market moved. So it is always good to stay in this type of zones and put whatever you have learned in technicals, and if you can pick within the zone, surely you can make a good profit out of this. So what we expect for crude oil is that the market should sustain 5300 and 320 and put a closing above this in order to get a buying momentum. If it is a failure for today, you can see one important thing which we should notice is that whenever the price is coming down, you can see coming down below 5300, but always we get a closing above and in between 5300 or 320. That indicates that there is something great can happen within this zone. So you can expect a lot of price breakout or breakdown, and this week is going to be a good week for crude traders. So if you can stick on to the principles of technicals, and you can easily clear this zone. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.